Hello student, today I will explain the performance of transmission line, which is a important chapters. This is a transmission line. We know the transmission line is number of conductor is 3, that is 3-phase 3-wire system. This is R, Y, B. This Vs is the sending end voltage between phase to phase and phase voltage. And last terminal where the load is or receiving station where load is connected, the voltage is abbreviation is REA, that is receiving end voltage. This also line voltage. Now the parameter of the line, that is 3 conductor. Here say R is the resistance of the each conductor. R. This is equal. L is called the loop inductance. L loop inductance. And there is the capacitor. Capacitor between conductor to conductor. This is conductor to conductor, conductor, this is C. This is called the capacitance between conductor to conductor. And another capacitance between conductor to ground, that is C1 from R to ground and Y to ground and B to ground, that is C1. C1 can be minimized by increasing the length from ground to conductor. We know the tower is always high because to minimize the C1, the height of the tower is high. For R to conductor, as he increasing the height, the C1 is decreases. So capacitance effect cannot be completely eliminated. So C1 we can mathematically we now cancel here because the increasing the length of the height between conductor and arc. Now the transmission line, according to length, the transmission line is classified into 3. One is called short transmission line. Short transmission line, if the distance for sending end to receiving end up to 50 kilometers is called short transmission line and voltage is less than 22 kV. This is short transmission line. Next, number 2 is called medium transmission line. Medium transmission line, the length is greater than 50 km but less than 150 km and voltage is greater than 20 kV and less than 100 kV. Next is long transmission line. A long transmission line, if the length is greater than 150 km to above and the voltage is greater than 100 kV. So this is the long transmission line. This is the total parameter of the transmission line. Now, at first I explained some short transmission line because the voltage is less than 20 kV. As the voltage is in respect of transmission line is very, in respect of very high voltage, C is neglected because the voltage is neglected means it is minimized, so C is neglected. So short transmission line C can be neglected, that is minimized, that is neglected. Now only the parameter for the short transmission line is resistance, inductance. So this length is 50 km. Now this voltage, we know always receiving voltage is less than sending end voltage, because the receiving voltage is equals to, by mathematically we will calculate sending end voltage minus drop in the line. Here is drop is I into R drop and I into XL drop. As C is neglected, so IXC, that is capacitance drop, is neglected. So only IR drop, resistance drop and inductive reactance drop is calculated. So short transmission line voltage regulation is better. Better means low. But as the voltage is increases for medium transmission line, C is included. So there is another voltage drop, IR drop, IXL drop, IXL drop. So regulation is increases. So this increases means regulation not is better. And another point is there is a three conductor. One is a regulation. In short transmission regulation, as the drop is only IR drop and IXL drop, regulation is better, that is low. And another point is transmission efficiency. Suppose we sending in power here, that is PS. PS called this sending in power, and this power is PR, the receiving power. Normally the PR is less than PS because power loss due to three conductors. That is, we can write PR, the receiving power, is equals to PS minus 3 into I. Suppose this current is IL. So this is IL. So IL square. This is the power received by the receiving station. So in short transmission line, the power only due to RRR. So transmission efficiency is efficiency transmission is equals to PR by PS into 100%. Or we can write PR divided by PR plus 3IL square into R, receiving power. here this into 100%. This is the transmission efficiency and regulation. We remember always transmission will be, we are trying to increase the transmission and efficiency. That means the line loss is minimum, and regulation, that is voltage regulation, if the voltage regulation is minimum, so transmission is very good. So our target is to, for transmission system, the efficient must be high and regulation must be low. This is the transmission line. Next day I will explain three different short transmission line mathematically and medium transmission line. I think you will understand the parameter of the transmission line. Next day I will explain short transmission line. Thank you all of you.